Good morning, boys and girls. We are back at the Civic Center for Palm Desert. So we'll go a little different direction this way. Maybe we can cover some more of the 70 acres. Some of it's administrative buildings, YMCA's out here. We'll go by and look at that office too. So enjoy and welcome to my channel. And it's going to be a walking tour of the park. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go look at this information thing over here. Kind of in the shade, but you could probably see it. In October, which obviously is this month, Disco Dogs, pickleball lessons and clinics. Shape Up with Sharon. Well, I got a few things going on. So let's go walk over this way. And we'll go the opposite direction of when we went yesterday and see what all's out here. Sign says no swimming and no fishing. We'll do a little 4K walking tour. Don't quite know what this is. No plaque or anything. I don't quite know what's going on with this. You hear those bells in the background? That's from an old clock that they have out here. I'm going to go by and show that, I guess, later. Alright, let's look over here at this. And over here and see what's going on. One like a little rose garden thing. Yeah, it's kind of a nice little area to sit over here. This is the Welcome to the Rose Garden Community Walk. If you'd like more information about the roses planted here, please contact the Desert Rose Society. No rollerbladers, skateboarders, or roller skates in Rose Garden. Okay. So as you can see, a lot of roses. Obviously, probably a lot of different types of roses. And it goes a couple of circles. We'll just go down one here. Unfortunately, I'm not much help on this one. I don't know anything about roses. There's another little spot here. There's a rose here. Okay. Don't quite know what this kind of a trash can here is. Right from this angle here, you can see the fountain. I think that's kind of the main part of here. The roses. And then here's the main square. As you can plainly see. Now, these squares here are in memory of, I think, well, that one does, in memory of Charlie Miller, Palm Desert's finest. Probably dedicated things on the benches here. There's some more of these curlicue things underneath the bench. I don't quite know what that means. Okay, let's go up over here. Another sculpture. Oh wow. Due to overfeeding, the irrigation systems will activate frequently. We apologize for any inconvenience. It shows some people running. The sprinkler comes on without notice. Oh, here's another sculpture. Okay. Somebody's had to have AAA come and help them with their car. That's what all that noise is. New sculpture. Don't quite know what this is. Probably not supposed to be walking on the grass. More of the sculpture. Okay. We'll walk down this way over here and see what's going on. Get a little bit more view of the park. So we should be doing some more filming today because I brought extra batteries. Yesterday I had to kind of cut it short with my battery. I have extra ones. I don't know why I didn't start always bringing them. Because the micro SD card that I have in here for 4K recording, because I got over 4 hours of continuous. I would never do that at one time, so not enough for one day. Nice green grass all around here. This is for little kids. This one over here, and it says no children over 12 allowed for that one. So that's for the little kids. Okay, go up here some more. Good morning. Oh, looks like we go kind of a bunch of different directions. Huh? Oh, here's some more playgrounds. So this thing here says no amplified music without a permit. I've never seen that kind of a sign before. Well, we'll walk back over here without really showing the kids, I guess. You can hear them. Yeah, we'll walk over this way. And here's some more. Oh, this is nice and soft. They have a lot of picnic areas, so probably on the weekends this is a very popular place. Probably a very popular place on the weekends. Now it looks like there's some more little sculptures and things over here. That we'll get to. I think we're on the outer boundaries of the park, because I think the reservoir, well, not a reservoir, but the creek is, or spillway, or whatever you want to call it, just on the other side of those bushes. So I think we'll come to the end. On this side anyway, for this boundary. So we will walk over here and see what all this is. Statues here. I guess that's supposed to be a rabbit, a dog of some kind. There's a turtle over there and a ram up there in the top. But I don't see any signs as to what's that plaque back there. Let me walk in a little closer. Okay. And we'll go over here to this turtle. Okay. And then there's a ram up there. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's some more. Oh, there's the basketball way over there. Let's see if this was a plaque. Yeah, Mother and Child Garden, it says. Mother and Child Sculpture Garden. Get me out of the way here so you can see it. Okay, I think we'll go this way. There's that ram again. Up in the top there. Okay, we'll go around this way. Not much down there, just fields and things. I think the YMCA is over here. Let's go show that. Right about these sprinklers, because this is all pretty muddy. You see, they're trying to do volleyball down at that end. Then you see they got basketball over here. This is the other side of that park that we were just at. Okay, let's go up here. Let's get to the front part up there.